How's it going? I'm just showing them the front wheel, so we've got the second car to do here now.
Same thing again, mini ballets, nothing too shabby.
Same process essentially, cleaning it and then cleaning the rims first. So we just done the second, third wheel, and the fourth one's left.
So as you can imagine, when you're working on a Rolls Royce, I don't care who you are, how big of a detailer you are, mate, you've always got to be bloody careful. But just treat it like another car and crack on with it.
I think that's the biggest issue, isn't it, with these things? So you have to use expensive products.
That's it,
because simply the cars you're cleaning are not your ordinary average cars. So because this is a bit dirty, is there any more invasive stuff that you do on it?
It's all down to the client, whatever they want, and unfortunately this one's a mini valet. Interior wise, I see why they've chosen mini valet, it wasn't too dirty, so I think it's alright, but what they don't realise is the paintwork, you don't get the 2 bucket method system in this, but because I know what I'm doing, I just do it anyway. So, as you can see, this gap here is a bit tight.
Yes.
If I was to pressure wash this, it's just going to cause carnage all over the boot and everywhere. And as you can tell, the carpet in here is just going to absorb all the water. So, I'm going to remove the nozzle.
Right.
I'm just going to use it like that.
Ah, so you just has like a drizzle as a hose.
And it'll just pick up whatever it can. But I will have to come back in here and manually clean it because just the pressure is not enough to get all the dirt out. So whatever loose debris in there, it will remove it. But for stuff that's really in there, it needs to be done.
So you got to take those things into consideration then, don't you?
Yeah, so when I'm doing the contact wash, I'm going to have to come in with the wash mitt and go around all, because I really don't want to be blasting water into there, because then I have to wet extract it, and like I said, it's only mini valet, so it's just going to cause more headache for myself. So we just break it down slowly and we're going across. So it's like a scalpel, so see how fine and sharp it is.
You show it to the camera.
Yeah, so it's a 15. It's a bit of a battered one, like it's seen some days.
I see.
So look how like I can get right in there.
Yeah, you
so
get the nooks and crannies, can't you?
Spread out, yeah. So and I get the pressure as well.
So how would somebody book the service then?
Book online. We've got our own website, which is www.techmachineDetail.co.uk. Or you can scroll down and see all the packages. There's a description on there, so you can have a read of what you want. Happy with what you see, you can book online, so it says what days are available, what times. You just click on the slot, enter your details, you get a confirmation text, confirmation email, and you're pretty much booked in them.
And where do you primarily operate then?
So we cover from the top of Newcastle right down to the bottom of Leeds. Based in Middlesbrough, we go an hour up and an hour down. All of our clients that are booked today, we've messaged them in advance saying, look, we're going to be in your area on this certain date. Would you like to get your car done? And they responded back saying, yeah, we would.
Coming to people's houses, do you also go to their workplaces too then?
Yeah, we go to the workplaces, the houses, so we don't need no water, no power. As long as it's safe for us to operate, like obviously we don't want to be operating on the main road. If it's somewhere like a car park, for example, now today we're in Bradford and we're at someone's office/factory. We're in their car park.
Are we cleaning this Ferrari now?
Yep. I'll tell you, that's it.
So what packages have been put on this then?
This is kept in dry storage, so it's just dusting. So it literally gets cleaned and marked up again. So mini valet once again. Inside's pretty much immaculate, the outside just needs dusting off.
Look, you can see.
So that's it really.
Alright then, get cracking.
Spot on. We've got the carpet rinse software.
Okay.
I think it has been for a bit of a blast. There's some dirt on the car that wouldn't come from an indoor storage, like the leaves and stuff.
Yeah.
So it's probably been out for a few times.
So this is like a basic pre-wash then?
Yeah. It's a rinse before the pre-wash.
Okay. I see.
Don't get technical.
Yeah, I'm a novice.
So this is a pre-wash before the pre-wash before the wash.
The wash before the wash before the wash. So with the pre-wash then, pre-stock, how long do you usually leave it for then?
So it's recommended 5 to 8 minutes.
And what do I do? Does it coagulate the dirt and then just drip it down then, does it?
Lift it off the paintwork.
Yeah.
And travel off the paint, so you'll see on the floor it's starting going round and stuff. It's supposed to soften up any debris before you put it to contact wash. This reduces the chances of putting swirl marks in the paint. Even though you are going to do a 2-bucket method wash, you can actually, with the motion of the mitt, put swirl marks and defects in the paintwork. So if you look at the jambs in the door shuts, they're pretty much immaculate. They just need rinsing down.
Yes, you're right, I can see. That dirty. That makes sense.
The pressure alone is just enough to knock off whatever dirt is present inside there now.
As you can see, it looks a lot cleaner already. So what's the next step then? Contact wash?
Yeah, 2-bucket method. Ready for a contact wash now. I'm more than happy with the results of that, so confident to do a 2-bucket method now.
Fantastic. You put fresh water in the bucket every time then?
Yeah. You can't cross-contaminate, get the dirt off the other car. You're just going to basically scrub dirt from another car to this car, you know what I mean? So, fresh buckets every time.
Get nice and soapy, yeah?
Yeah, just provide the lubrication and make sure you get it everywhere. That's
So again, always starting from the top.
Yeah, Chris, I've got a phone call coming in. The mitt, every time you've done a panel,
Yeah.
sort of see the dirt. So what we do is as we walk over to the bucket, we can see, look, we've picked up all this stuff off the car now. And then if you follow me now, come over to the bucket. That's where these grip guards come in. So we then get it in there, scrub the pad.
Oh, so it takes all the loose dirt and everything off?
Takes everything off,
Yeah,
and that
you can see
will
the
fall.
water's naturally getting dirty, don't it? Yeah.
So look at that now, it's clean. And all that dirt now will fall to the bottom, and there's another grip guard in there, and it'll trap it at the bottom.
Ah, so it's become like sediment.
That's it, yeah. So now, with this clean mitt, we collect the clean water, some good suds, so we've got the lubrication, and we crack on with the rest.
Remember, as you're getting into every little nook and cranny here as well.
And what you don't want to do is, you don't want to go from the top of the panel, come down, grab the dirt from there,
and go back up,
again.
because it's dirt transferring, yeah.
But as you can see, because we've done such a good wash at the pre-wash, you can see there's nothing on there literally,
so
but still you can't risk it, and you want to go and wash this again. What you tend to find is you'll get a lot of crap underneath it.
Oh, the underseals, yeah. Yeah, it's an obvious thing to forget about, isn't it?
It's not that bad, like I said, because we've done such a good pre-wash. I mean, you'll find
there's still little specks there, so it's just getting all the unnecessary stuff. So as you can see, it's all clean now. All the wash has been done on it. I'll give you a quick 360. Just the water that's drying off. So the Ferrari is getting moved, so the hose isn't that long for the hoover, so we're just going to move it to where it's a bit more convenient. Is it just a quick little hoover there from inside?
Just a mini valet, yeah. It's a bit awkward the way the car's designed to get in and around and stuff.
It's quite awkward, isn't it?
Yeah, it's very awkward, yeah. You need to sit
So do you use like special nozzles and stuff and thinner ones and whatnot?
Yeah, you've got like crevice tools and stuff, brushes, different attachments to different jobs. But very, very minimal debris in here. So.